how to get free stuff on Temu. So if you want to get free stuff on your Temu, then you can either open your Temu application or you can go with your browser. So I'm here with my browser. You just need to simply go with www.temu.com and make sure to sign into your account. Go with sign in, which is on the bottom right. Now once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the profile option, which will be on the upper right. Tap on profile, and once you tap on your profile, you will have an option of coupons and offers. Tap on it, and here you can enter your coupon code and then apply to get a free stuff on Temu. Or if you're in the application, then you will have an option of earn free credits and free gifts. So you can simply tap on that option, and once you tap on that option, you'll be able to simply get the free credits from those options. But if you have your coupon code, then you can simply enter the coupon code and then apply, and you'll be able to get some stuff with a huge discount or for free. So that's how you can get a free stuff on Temu, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.